This video shows each movement of the routine one step at a time, starting from right shoulder 4. Now going to present arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now going to trail arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now going back to right shoulder arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now the second time through, going from right shoulder arms to left shoulder arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now back to present arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now this will be a different sequence up to trail arms. 1, notice this hand here. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now this is 2 steps. 5, 6. And then there's a couple of beats. And then 7, 8, 9. And then 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let me elaborate on this movement. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this is 2 steps. You move your hand here and you put it behind your back. 5, 6. And your hand ends up holding it back here. And then when you bring it forward, you start it and you move this hand to the front as it slides up, and then move this hand to the butt plate. Notice that again. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Left hand's here. And then 7, 8. And then you continue 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Show you that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And then up to right shoulder arms. 1, 2, 3, and here you throw it down with this hand and pivot on this one in 1 beat. 4, catch it at the same spot, and you bring it vertical and slap it with your left hand. 5, and then you raise it up, straight up. 6, and then you put it onto your shoulder, put your hand on the butt plate. 7, 8.